Hey guys, it's math time. So we've been working with our Reckon Recs all week long. We know that there are 10 on the top bar and 10 on the bottom bar, and that if we move both of them, that it equals 20. So I'm going to build some numbers, and I want you to shout out the right answer. If you get it right, I want you to do a happy victory dance. I don't care what that is. If you want to dab, if you want to get up and jump around. But when I say, okay, class, you're going to sit back down and pay attention because I'm going to do another one. Are you ready? And are you ready to dance? Okay, here we go. Did you shout it out? Did you say 10? If you said 10, do your happy dance. Okay, class, let's build another one. Did you shout it out yet? Because it was 8. If you said 8, do a happy dance. If you didn't say 8, go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 3 is 8. Okay. Okay, class. All right. What did you say it was? Did you say it was 15? If you did, you get to dance. If not, look, 5, 10, 15. Remember that there's 5 red, 5 white, 5 red. Okay, class, sit down. Now, then we learned about our double 10 frame and how it's...
Miss Malone, can you please call 7004, please? Miss Malone, thank you.
It's like you're here with me, okay? So, we learned that the Reckon Rec and the double 10 frame are the same thing, right? We can build with both of them. I'm sorry, this is kind of a terrible angle. So, I'm going to go ahead and build on here, and we're going to do the same thing. Are you ready? Okay, guess. Did you say 5? That is 5. Good. If you got it right, do your dance. Okay, class, good job. Remember that when I build from the top left corner and fill in all the blanks on the top, and then on the bottom. What number did I build? Remember, this is 10 and 1. 10 and 1 is 11. If you said 11, do a dance. Now I'm going to leave that set up. Okay, class. Here comes the next one. Okay, what number is that? That looks like a lot to me. If you know that this is 10, can we start counting on? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did you say 17? If you did, do you dance? Okay, good job, class. Sit down and listen for now. Now, down here at the bottom, we have another tool that we can use while we're counting, and it's called a number path. Say that with me. Number path. Look at the numbers on the number path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, this has 20 spaces. How many spaces did this have? 20. And this has 20 spaces. So all 3 of these things we can use up to 20, right? So we're just going to use this as a base, and then we'll move on, okay? So if we need to do a bigger number, would it be okay to, or would it be a good idea to do it on a 10 frame? Probably not. If we need to count a bigger number, we probably need something else, right? Okay, so when we're talking about this number path, see, I'm right here. See if y'all can see me. Okay, so it starts with red, 5 red, 5 white, 5 red, and then 5 white, just like our Reckon Rec. But we're going to use it a little bit differently. Instead of building numbers, we're going to identify numbers, okay? So I want really quick, fast as lightning, put your finger on 11. You may not be able to see that as well as I'd like you to. Okay, finger on 11. Now put your finger on 20. Put your finger on 4. You don't have to watch my video, just do it. Put your finger on 8. Put your finger on 16. That's a 1, 6. Put your finger on 14. It should be red. Okay, so now we've got our markers. And what we're gonna do is put our marker right on top of the number, almost where it's not there anymore, okay? So, really quick, put your marker on 10, just like we were using our fingers. Put your marker on 18. Put your marker on 1. So the number path is really good for adding and subtracting quickly because we don't actually have to move anything. We're just kind of, well, we're moving our piece, but that's about it. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So if I'm adding 3 plus 2, and we'll get into this more later on, but right now we're just going to see if I can get y'all a better view of what I'm doing here. So if we were doing 3 plus 2, we'd put our marker on 3, and then we're going to move our star 2 places, right? Because we're adding 2. So it's almost like we're playing a board game. So we've got 3, 1, 2. What number did I land on? 5. Guess what 3 plus 2 is? It's 5. See how easy that is? So I want you to play a game with brother, sister, anybody. Just have them call out numbers 1 to 20 and see how quick you can touch them on your number path. Okay? All right, guys. That's our math tool for today. Next week, we're actually going to get to start our curriculum and get into the lessons. But I'm really glad you've started learning these tools with me. This one on the side, we'll go over, but it's not going to be quite as in-depth as the other 3 because the other 3 kind of go together. Okay? All right. So we will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.